JR Furnace, trendsetters in thermal technology. Welcome to JR Furnaces and Ovens, one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of industrial furnaces and ovens since 1987. The company, known for its commitment to quality and ethical business practices, one of the pioneers in the manufacturing of heat treatment furnaces, carved a niche as a reliable manufacturer of high-performance heat treatment furnaces, commissioned over 500 plus furnaces to government and private customers. Furnaces known for its need-specific design, robust performance and long life, quality-conscious and customer-focused business practices. 28 years of manufacturing excellence.
I take pride in welcoming you to JR Furnace and Ovens, a globally focused manufacturing company. JR Furnace has been one of India's foremost names of industrial heat process equipments and solutions for over 27 years. We are one of the fast-growing furnace manufacturing companies in India and have commissioned 500 plus furnaces all over the world. Our furnaces are operational in prestigious government organizations and private organizations such as Ordnance Factories, HAL, ISRO, Polycab, Toshiba and many more.
JR Furnace, customized heat treatment solution, enduring customer relationship, process appropriate design, highly professional technical team, top-notch raw materials, result-oriented workmanship, in-house testing, timely delivery, commissioning with trial run, 24/7 service support. Our world-class capital equipment include heat treatment furnace, atmosphere controlled furnace, continuous furnace and batch furnace, industrial ovens, infrastructure. Our 55,000 square feet state-of-the-art facility enables us to handle bulk orders, competitive advantage. Entire process of furnace manufacturing from design to testing is done in-house, trial run and commissioning at customer site. Some of our prestigious clients: JR Furnace, your trusted partners for heat treatment solutions.